Well, it's an absolutely gorgeous day here on the Gold Coast, and I'm about to take you through Haight. This home is coastal and airy, and it perfectly blends the outdoor and indoor together. Let's go check it out. So we've just entered the home, and this is what we're greeted with straight away, this open air courtyard, just absolutely filling the home with light. It's got this crazy paved travertine flooring that you'll see follows throughout the whole rest of the home. Now we will get to the kitchen in a hot second, but first I need to show you the first of the bedrooms. So we've got a powder room off to the right. I love this statement bucket basin here. And here's the first of the bedrooms. I have to say I absolutely adore this colour of timber veneer, just gorgeous. And in here is the ensuite. Now they've introduced this pink velvet tile in here, which I just love. It adds a nice warmth to the space. And then the gunmetal, just topping it off with a nice contrast to the rest of the light, textures and natural materials. I have to take a moment for this. What a clever use of space under the stairs. Looking at it from front on, it's almost like a piece of art, but it's super functional because you can hide your shoes away in these little drawers under here and sit there and pop them on. Finally, we enter the living. There is just such an incredible sense of space in here. This void is double height. It's got light pouring in through those windows. And notice the ceiling in here. They've introduced this incredible curve into the ceiling the whole way through. It's super impactful. Here we have the dining, equipped with your own wine area. Love that. And the kitchen. Now this home is very warm and bright. We're grounded by that crazy paved travertine flooring throughout this whole floor, and then that flooring is then complemented by some accompanying finishes. This nice neutral stone bench top, and then of course that brushed gunmetal, just adding a nice point of difference again. Now I've been seeing this a lot in the homes that we go to, and I can definitely see why, because it's super functional. A linear layout of kitchen, followed by butler's pantry, followed by laundry. Let's head upstairs. So on this side of that courtyard there, we've got the second of the bedrooms, nice linen cupboard and a second living space. Well, they definitely achieved the light-filled area. We've got another bathroom here, again with the pink tiles, and a third of the bedrooms. Gorgeous walk-in robe with the skylight there. And finally the master. Gosh, the ceilings are just so high in here and it makes such a difference. It feels so spacious. You've got that lovely view over the water there. And behind you is the ensuite. So they've emphasised that ceiling height in here by including a half wall detail with the white VJ on top, just lengthening those ceiling heights, and then that stone look tile we saw in the previous bathrooms underneath. You've got a double vanity, a nice freestanding bath, and what a gorgeous shower. Okay, we're back downstairs now, and finally we enter the outdoor area. You've got this above ground pool, which is just such a clever inclusion because it allows for the water itself to act as an infinity light continuation from the ground floor. So as you step down into that garden area there, you've got this gorgeous concrete wall with accompanying gardens. You've got this concrete formed stepwork that forms into an architectural like seating area with views out onto the water. You can really appreciate the effort that's gone into creating the perfect indoor-outdoor home. I just want to say a big thank you to JTECH, Reece, Keil and Ellyett for letting us through their stunning project Haight. Thanks for coming on another tour with ABI Interiors. We'll see you next time.